All right, guys, let's do our autographed or our Gold Rush baseball vault box. This is break number 4 altogether. Every break, every box has got 3 hits, a mix of autos, graded cards, relics. You've got booklets, some really, really cool hits that you can find in here. And every spot gives you 3 random teams. So Bill P, what's up, man? Good to have you back. You've got 3 spots in this. Todd M's got 2, John H with 1, Kevin S with 1, Robert W's got 1, Robert M with 1, and then Elena closed us out with the last spot. All right, so let's go ahead and randomize the teams in this. So we'll mix it up 5 times. All right, so 3 teams per spot. Let's randomize this 5 times. We'll match them up with the teams. All right, here we go. So, Bill, you've got the Orioles, the Phillies, the White Sox, the Dodgers, Diamondbacks, Angels, Red Sox, Royals, and Reds. Elena, you've got the Pirates, the Padres, and the Indians. John's got the Rays, Mets, and Tigers. Kevin, you've got the Yankees, the Cardinals, and the Giants. Robert M with the Rockies, Nationals, and Rangers. Robert W's got the Mariners, the Astros, and the Blue Jays. And then Todd, you've got the Marlins, the A's, the Brewers, the Twins, the Braves, and the Cubs. All right, so there are your teams. Break number 4, good luck. All right, hit number 1. Oh my gosh. How about an Ichiro to 5? Are you freaking kidding me? Robert W. That is the Mariners. That is freaking straight nasty. Goodness gracious. I don't think that's a sticker auto either. I can't tell. Looks like it may be on card. 1 out of freaking 5. Let's go. That is from 2020 Topps Definitive. What a monster hit. That's probably got to be on the box, man. That's insane. Robert W., congrats, man. Nice hit. I'm not sure we're going to top that. All right, we got a VIP Party Aaron Judge from Transcendent 2018. Beckett graded 9.5. Got 9 5s on all the subs, 9 on the centering. Number to 87 on that. So Yankees there, that's Kevin S. All right, and last hit. All right, we got an Alex Gordon. Select signatures from the Royals, and it is a nice pristine 10. So 2013 select. I hate that guy because he hit a freaking home run against my Mets in the World Series to tie the game. So the Royals on that will be Bill P. So Bill, nice one there. I don't know if that's his... No, he was 2005 overall. So that's not his rookie. First year select though, I'm pretty sure. All right, so nice box, man. That Ichiro is just disgusting. 1 out of 5, so nice hit there. Congratulations, guys. We'll get those cards in the mail tomorrow. Appreciate you joining us. I've got 1 box left of this. So we'll look at doing that either next weekend or coming up 2 weeks from tonight.